Mm, yeah. Woke up this morning, I got Braciole on my mind. Thinking about that tender beef, yeah, we're doing fine. Tony's favorite dish, straight from those old Italian roots. So step into the kitchen.
All right, let's get right into this Braciole, Tony Soprano's favorite. Large bowl. We're going to put in about a quarter cup of olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a dash of lemon juice, and we'll give that a real good mix. Then about a quarter cup of finely shredded Parmesan cheese, and get back there and mix that up again. Then we're going to slowly add a quarter cup of Italian breadcrumb, just like so. Add a little bit more breadcrumb. There we go. And then finally a quarter cup of shredded fontina cheese. That's a real good melter there. So we'll get all this mixed up, and that's going to be our stuffing for our Braciole. Now, what I got from my local grocery store was some top round sliced super thin. So I'm going to lay that on my board, just like so. Get in there with my stuffing, a couple of scoops. Then I'm going to lay one basil leaf right on top, just like that. Now we're just going to kind of roll this up like a burrito. Just kind of roll and tuck, and push back and tuck and roll. Then kind of fold the sides in a little bit and just keep on rolling, just like so. Then I'll get a couple pieces of string out, butcher twine, and we're just going to tightly wrap and tie those ends off, just like that. That way nothing leaks out while we're cooking. Keeps everything nice and tight. Just like that. And there you have it. That is one stuffed, wrapped up beef Braciole. So we're going to get busy and do the rest. And we have 5 of them. Perfect. Now, my crock pot that does sear. People comment that you can't sear in a crock pot, but this Cuisinart does sear. And I'm going to leave a link in the comment section below where you can actually purchase one of these if you want. I love this thing because it sears, it boils, it slow cooks, it does everything. And it's all one pot and super easy to clean. So, anyways, we've got that on sear now. We're going to put a little olive oil at the bottom, put our meat down there, and after a few minutes we'll roll it over. And that's what you're looking for right there. That beautiful brown sear on the bottom. Now, once we get these all done, next step is we're going to cover the meat with your favorite marinara sauce. If you can use jarred, whatever you like. I got some left over from what I made a couple of days ago. So I'm just going to pour that right over the top. Make sure everybody's covered nice. And I'm going to put the lid on this sucker. And I'm going to let it go about 3 hours. You want this not fall apart tender, but fork tender. You still want to be able to cut into it nice and even without it falling apart. So don't overcook it. Check it every hour with the fork. Top it off with a little Parmesan cheese, and you are good to go. Tony Soprano's favorite dish, Braciole. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget, new video every Wednesday and Sunday, and we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah. Woke up this morning, I got Braciole on my mind. Thinking about that tender beef, yeah, we're doing fine. Tony's favorite dish, straight from those old Italian roots. So step into the kitchen, we're cooking family style tonight. First comes the stuffing, this is where it all begins. Good olive oil in the bowl, now let's mix it in. Finely grated Parmigiano, yeah, don't be shy. 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, let that flavor fly. Dash a lemon juice just to wake it all up. Italian breadcrumbs going in, fill that cup. Now grated fontina, bring it home nice and tight. Mix it all together, yeah, that's looking right. Now grab that top ground, thin slice, nice. Lay it out flat, we're doing this precise. Take a mallet, pound it down just a little more. Old school technique like they did before. Now scoop that stuffing, don't hold back. Top it with basil, give it that smack. Roll it up tight, keep it clean, keep it neat. Tie off the ends, now that's hard to beat. Do it again till they're all lined up, looking like Sunday dinner in a silver cup. Pan on the stove, little oil, medium heat. Lay them down gentle, hear that sizzle speak. Brown both sides, get that color just right. Salt and pepper hit, yeah, we doing it right. Now into the slow, cook it nice and low. These little beauties ready to go. Cover with sauce, your favorite kind. Let it cook slow, yeah, take your time. Couple hours later, now take a look. Tender, good, firm, that's how you cook. You don't want it falling apart, that ain't the deal. You wanna slice it clean, keep that structure real. Plate it up nice, spoon that sauce on top. That rich red gravy, just don't stop. Cut into one, see that swirl inside. That's tradition, that's family, that's Italian pride. And just like that, you made Tony's favorite dish, Braciole, an Italian classic you don't wanna miss. So make this on the lowdown before Polly Walnuts or Christopher come knocking at your door. So like, share, subscribe, don't forget that bell. Buzz Cooks is here, yeah, you know it's gonna be one hell of a meal. 2 shows a week, Sunday and Wednesday night, from my kitchen to yours. We doing it right.